everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys my simple and delicious tres leches cake. Here are the ingredients. 1 bag of store-bought cake mix, 1 pack of strawberries, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, 2 cups of half and half, 2 cups of heavy whipping cream, 3 tablespoons of sugar, cinnamon, two tablespoons of Mexican vanilla. The first thing you want to do is follow the instructions on the back of your cake mix box. I used white cake batter, but you can use vanilla or yellow cake mix as well. Add 1 tablespoon of Mexican vanilla to your batter. Preheat your oven to the temperature on your cake mix box. You want to start off by buttering your baking dish. You want to do that so that your cake doesn't stick to it. I'm using a 13x9 glass baking dish. Next thing you want to do is pour your batter into the baking dish and follow the baking instructions on the back of your cake mix box. I baked my cake for 25 minutes. Check to see if your cake is fully baked. You'll know it is when you stick a toothpick in it and it comes out clean. Make sure your cake is completely cool. It'll take about 45 minutes to an hour, and you want to slice the top off of your cake. The next step is to poke holes in your cake so that way it'll soak up the milks better. Now you're going to pour your evaporated milk, your half and half, and your sweetened condensed milk into a bowl. Make sure you mix thoroughly. The next step is to pour the milks over your cake. Make sure you distribute it as evenly as possible. Cover with aluminum foil. Refrigerate your cake for 10 hours. This will ensure that it absorbs all the milks. After 10 hours, remove from your refrigerator. Next thing you want to do is make the whipped cream. We're going to add 2 cups of heavy whipping cream to a bowl, along with 3 tablespoons of sugar. You can add more if you'd like. I like it this way because it's not too sweet. Then you add 1 tablespoon of vanilla and whip. Make sure you whisk until you get the consistency of whipped cream. Spread the whipped cream across the entire cake. Cut the strawberries in half. Cut the strawberries in half. We'll be using these to top the cake. Use the cinnamon to sprinkle on top of your cake. The final touch is putting the strawberries on top of your cake. Look how beautiful and delicious this looks. I really hope you all enjoyed this recipe. It's super delicious and I've made it before for family, friends, birthday parties. Everybody loves it. Let me know if you guys want me to cook something else in the comment section or if you even try it. And yeah, thanks for stirring the pot with me, and until next time, bye.